Welcome to ESG MatchMaker. In ESG MatchMaker, our framework library is the foundation of your entire ESG journey. It offers a comprehensive list of policies, acting as the skeleton that guides your structure, strategy, and helps you build a strong, sustainable framework for the future. Access the framework library either from Step 4 of the 5-step panel or through the sidebar navigation menu. If you've already selected your framework, simply go to Your Selected Frameworks. Back to the framework library, on the left side, you'll find a list of recommended frameworks based on your earlier assessment. There are also buttons that allow you to view all frameworks if you'd like. If you don't find the frameworks you need, you can always add a new one. Remember, you also have the option to create your own policies within each framework. In your Selected Framework section, you can see the progress of actions and tasks within each policy. Let's take a quick look at one example. In the SME Green Goal policy, you've chosen 2 policies, which include 3 actions. One of those actions is share the report with others. The workflow for this action is assign the task to the responsible team or person. Download the template from ESG MatchMaker. Draft the report using the template, adding supporting documents if needed, and then submit it for review and approval. The workflow tracks your progress percentage in real time. Once a task is completed and submitted, the submission date becomes locked. This also serves as an audit trail. You can customize your workflow to suit your company's needs, add new steps in between any steps, delete existing ones, or include additional approval stages, set dates, and assign them to others for approval as required. It easily customizes workflows to match your company's ESG goals. That's a quick look at the framework library. Start building your ESG foundation today. Thank you.